Not me coming on live. It's been a while. You know, me on live not agree because the world too sensitive. But how are you feeling today, though? Me, I am tired of shit. And I'm still sick. I think I went to LA and I caught the flu or some shit, bro. Like, mash up. And I didn't sleep enough last night either. So right now I'm gonna look a mess. But I know you guys love me regardless, so I'm not worried. Yeah, I have a headache right now. Let's talk about Shake It to the Max. For real. Shake It to the Max is... Oh, by the way, don't mind my one earring. I can do whatever the fuck I want, okay? Because I'm independent. How would they know? How would you know if I did not tell you? Yeah, Shake It to the Max is going crazy. And then I see some people saying that I'm taking Molly's song and run with it like it's mine. First of all, Molly's original song is hers and the producer's. The remix, it is mine. Sorry to disappoint. It's mine, Skilly Bangs, and Molly's, and Silent Addy and Disco. So when my pen, my verse, I'm gonna write my verse myself. I'm gonna record it, right? And me release it. I'm gonna promote it. Sorry to tell you, but I get paid off of that. I get money. I get shabang. Every time I promote that song, the more I promote it, the more money I make.
Yeah, we take the big bucks. We own the same brand.
Alright, so I can wrap up that now. Just because I'm not like seeing I go on with that little taking at the industry. As always, I can always find something to try to downplay my hard work. But too bad, God is looking out for me, motherfuckers. Close up that one.
Yeah.
I'm about to leave this hotel.
What about you staying?
That's Fire Skulls. Also, I'm on live. And the worst thing is too, like, the music industry is in such a weird place right now. Would you